Which constitutional amendment act gave constitutional recognition to the panchayats? Answer is option C, 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act. Two bones can be connected to each other by another type of connective tissue called the blank. Answer is option A, ligament. What are male gametes called as? Answer is option D, sperms. Which of the following is a vestigial organ in human body? Answer is option C, wisdom teeth. The charge carried by K-sun is? Answer is option A, positive. Bleaching action of chlorine is by? Answer is option B, oxidation. An ice cube is floating in a glass of water. What happens to the water level when the ice melts? Answer is option A, remains same. Which of the following wave types is an example of the waves produced by a moving motorboat on the surface of the water? Answer is option C, both longitudinal and transversal. In India, the apex body for agriculture loan is? Answer is option A, NABARD. Friend, full form of NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. The Dronacharya Award is given to blank. Answer is option A, coach. Which of the following folk dances belongs to Odisha? Answer is option D, Chaiti Ghoda. All Souls Day is a blank festival. Answer is option C, Christian. What is the full form of GNI? Answer is option A, gross national income. Which year witnessed the rise of the Rashtrakuta dynasty that ruled the Deccan and surrounding areas? Answer is option B, 753 AD. Sirajuddaulah renamed which city as Alinagar? Answer is option D, Calcutta. Which Mughal emperor was known as Jinda Peer? Answer is option D, Aurangzeb. The place of spiritual preaching in Dadu Panth is called? Answer is option B, Alakhdariba. Privy Purse was related to whom in the post-independence period? Answer is option A, former kings. Tumbi Valley is located in which state? Answer is option A, Sikkim. The queen with the title Didda ruled over which part of India between 980 to 1003? Answer is option B, Kashmir. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India can be removed from office only by the? Answer is option A, President of India after an address in both houses of Parliament. Which of the following fundamental rights is given in Article 21? Answer is option B, right to life. Hemoglobin, the protein inside red blood cells, carries blank. Answer is option D, oxygen. A fish that is devoid of any scales is. Answer is option B, catfish. Peeling of onions causes tears as onion releases. Answer is option C, sulfanic acid. Which one of the following statements regarding baking powder is not correct? Answer is option B, it does not contain sodium bicarbonate. Children, especially in Western countries who receive very little sunshine, suffer from. Answer is option C, rickets. When a ball drops on the floor, it bounces. This is according to. Answer is option D, Newton's third law of motion. Which is the state that leads in the list of monuments of national importance in South India declared by Archaeological Survey of India? Answer is option A, Karnataka. The National Unity Day is celebrated in India on the birth anniversary of blank. Answer is option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Constitution Day in India is celebrated on blank. Answer is option D, November 26. If any one input is high and output is also high, such gate is. Answer is option B, OR gate. Computers use which language to process data? Answer is option A, binary. Router is used in which of the following layer? Answer is option A, network layer. Blank is a light sensitive device that converts drawing, printed text or other images into digital form and stores in computer memory. Answer is option C, scanner. Multicasting is blank. Answer is option D, sending a frame to a group of stations. ASCII stands for blank. Answer is option B, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Raut Nacha is folk dance related to which of the following state? Answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Indian classical dance form Kuchipudi developed in the state of blank. Answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. The Battle of blank was fought in 326 BC by Alexander the Great against King Porus. Answer is option D, Hydaspes. During the Middle Ages, education was confined only to. Answer is option C, Brahmins. Todarmal was associated with blank in Akbar's Darbar. Answer is option A, finance. Which among the following was not the recommendation of the Nehru report? Answer is option D, separate electorate. In the context of freedom struggle, the person known as Grand Old Man of India is. Answer is option A, Dadabhai Nauroji. Which one among the following plains is associated with limestone topography? Answer is option C, karst plain. A powerful eye irritant in smoke is. Answer is option D, peroxyacetyl nitrate. Which of the following is not one of the great paradigms of biology? Answer is option D, Archimedes principle. Blank is not a mode of heterotrophic nutrition. Answer is option C, automatic. Riboflavin is a. Answer is option B, vitamin. When is National Tourism Day celebrated? Answer is option A, 25 January.